Hi guys, so it has been a minute since I do a cleaning video. So today I want to clean a fridge, okay? I want to clean a fridge here. It has taken quite some time without me cleaning it. Let me say like a month. Oh, so let me say there have been visitors around and the fridge was being used so much and a lot of being kept inside. So since they left, it's now like 4 days. And I've just decided to do the thorough cleaning of that fridge so that we can put new stuffs and keep it clean. So I decided to make this video with you guys. So let me show you. So guys, in the morning, I woke up and then I switched off the fridge. Earlier, it was a bit like frozen. So right now, I can say maybe it's still, the ice is not yet, it is still frozen. So I don't know, but we'll do the cleaning now because I want to finish my work at least and have a break. So just stick around and keep watching. So hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Penina the Grace and you are in the home of grace. In this channel, I share my life stories. So kindly don't forget to like, comment and share. So guys, as you can see, what I'm doing first foremost is to remove the eggs. Okay, everything that is inside the fridge, I'm supposed to remove them out so that I can start do the cleaning. So, because eggs are so fragile, I started with eggs and then the rest of the stuffs follows. So, keep watching. So guys, this is the reason why I washed this fridge. As you can see, these are ice, guys. The fridge was so frozen. Even to open deep freezer was like a problem. Opening deep freezer. As you can see, the deep freezer is down this fridge. It's somehow complicated. It is not like the other fridge that I used to watch. So as you can see, it has a lot of ice. So guys, I've already emptied the fridge. As you can see, it is empty and this is how it looks like. And guys, I can confess this is my first fridge ever that I've done cleaning, which is clean, right? Yes, it is clean. So let us continue removing things from the fridge. So that was the other side, and now this is the other side. So we have to remove everything. For you to clean your fridge like well, easy and simple, you must remove everything in it if you are doing thorough cleaning to give you easy time. So we'll finish cleaning and then later you will see what you can do. So guys, as you can see, I'm almost, and it is still frozen. I'm also trying to use a knife, guys. And guys, when you are using a knife to remove ice, you must be very careful. You know, it is easy or simple for you to spoil the fridge. So as you know, as a house manager, we must be very careful. So guys, look at that. All those are ice, a lot of ice. Like, it was too much, and that is why actually I decided to wash the fridge. So guys, this I'm trying to show you guys, it is still frozen. So what I will do, I will let it at least to stay for maybe 2 more hours and then later I'll come back. So guys, after 2 more hours, here we are. So we are going to use water. A lot of ice, guys. I'm just trying to show you that this is what came out of that ice. So I'm fetching water, and me, when I'm washing a fridge, I normally use lemon. I normally use lemon, so that is what I'm going to use. We have started cleaning, so keep watching, guys. So guys, like I was telling you before, this is the first fridge that I can confess like it is clean. So reason is we came in this house, this apartment, when this fridge was clean. So actually, we were the first people. Okay, I can say I'm the first person that came here and started using this fridge, and that is why you can see it is clean. So after 1 month, this is now the first time for me to come and clean this fridge. And reason it is not because like it was that dirty. No, it was not that messy. It was because of a lot of hard for me to open the deep freezer to take the meat inside, or the stuff that were being kept inside the deep freezer. It was very hard for me to remove them. So I decided at least to do the washing, so that it will give me easy time when I'm opening the deep freezer. And actually, guys, as you can see, it was really, really frozen. So guys, I'm trying to show you, like, this is the part, like, I've decided to remove that what you've seen I've removed, so that it will give me easy time to clean it. The cheese and the drinks, and then the ginger, that is why I've removed it. But otherwise, I could have not removed it because they are not that dirty. They are not that dirty. So guys, like I was saying, I could have done this earlier, but this fridge was being used by kids. Okay, there were so many kids in this house, so I used to keep a lot of drinks inside the fridge. So every time they could come and open, close, like to pick water and drink. So that is why I did not have that opportunity at least to do the washing earlier, and then it was not that dirty. So only the drink that they could come and pour inside, I could just clean instantly. Okay, and then I decided to leave it like now, so they are gone. I've decided at least to do the cleaning, so that the fridge will look nice. Also, it will give me easy time, yeah, to open the deep freezer. So guys, stick around and keep watching. Yes, guys, and this dish, how do we call this? Zinaitwaje? I don't know. Zinaitwa trays za fridge ama. Anyways, so those I decided to wash them at least, yeah, to make them clean, because when things, okay, when they were frozen, the meat and everything, they were frozen, and now they're defrosted, so it is somehow messy. So I decided at least to wash them and to keep them clean. So after like 2 hours, I came back to finish the deep freezer. I stopped like cleaning. It was so frozen, like I could not do it. So I stopped the cleaning. I went and do my work. So I came back after 2 hours. So I said, wacha nimalize hii kazi, because I was already even tired, because this is not the only job that I was doing. Cleaning is there, cooking is there, so other things. So I came back and finished the cleaning. Yes, which is okay. And voila, we are done. As you can see now, it is clean. Yeah, all the ice are gone. And I can say, actually, this is my first time to see such kind of a fridge. I don't know. Comment in the comment section below. Have you ever seen a fridge like this one? Or do you have a fridge like this one? Whereby deep freezer is down and then the fridge is on top. And this model, it is somehow unique. I like it. I like this fridge so much. I do like it. So right here, I'm trying to check the date of this bread, guys. My boss can bring you bread. You can eat. He can bring you lots of bread until you lose appetite. Sometimes when you ask for something, and when somebody brings for you more, you will even lose appetite, because you'll be like, why is he bringing a lot of it? And you are the only person. So guys, here we are. I've fixed everything. Everything is back in its place. So we are supposed now to do to take everything now back. As you can see, this is what I'm doing. And guys, I always love what I do. I don't know if you have realized that. I always love what I do. Either anybody is watching me or anybody is not watching me, I always love what I do. Okay? Yeah. So, like they say, cleanliness is next to godliness. I'm so happy because I'm able. By the way, at this moment, I was singing and dancing. There was a music in the background that I was dancing, a gospel song. So that is why you can see I'm happy. So, guys, thank you so much if you have watched up to there. I just want to say thank you so much. You are an amazing person. Thank you always for supporting this channel. Thank you always for checking me out when I'm gone. So your love is what is keeping me here. So thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate your love and support. we are done. Everything is back. So that is how the fridge looks like. And I love it. So it is clean. So thank you so much, guys. I really, really, really appreciate you. So comment in the comment section below what kind of video do you want me to do. So